Hey, welcome back to the GOTRAX YouTube channel. Today we're going to be unboxing and doing an extensive overview of the R2 electric bike. We're going to walk you through all the specs and the features, do a quick unboxing, and show you how to get it all ready to go so you can get out on the road faster. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. We're going to be posting a lot more videos about all our new electric bikes to come. And if you have any questions, make sure to comment down below. But for that, let's get into the video. So once you get the R2 out of the box, you're going to see that it is already pre-folded. 95% of this bike is already built, so you're not going to have to do too many things to get it ready to go. First thing you're going to want to do is unhinge it and unfold it from the base. Make sure that that piece is locked in firmly and tightly. We don't want that opening up. Second thing you're going to do is look at the handlebars. Make sure you put those all the way up and make sure the pin is locked so it is tight and not wiggling. Once you've done that, the bike is already built. You did the 5% that you need to do and you're ready to go. So now that we got the bike all set up and ready to go, we're gonna go over a couple of the specs briefly. If you want to look more in detail about some of the specs on the R2 bike, you can always check in the link down below to the product page of the R2. We're gonna have a drop-down menu that will show you specifically all the specs that you want to know. Also, if you turn to page 8 in your manual, you will find a nice little chart here that will go through all the specs that you need to know. The R2 comes in two different colors. It comes in a white and it comes in a black. Some of the cool features about this bike is its max speed is going to be 20 miles per hour. It has a 500-watt motor. On pedal assist, you'll be maxing out at 40 miles per hour. So using the pedal assist, having the motor help out, you're gonna maximize the distance and maximize the speed. If you're just gonna use the throttle, which is gonna be on the right hand of the handlebar, you're gonna get close to 22 miles per charge. And with that great mileage, you're gonna have a 500-watt back wheel motor and a 48V 10.4 AH battery within the deck. This is gonna help you reach the mileage and reach the miles per hour that you're seeking to get with the R2. The charge time on the R2 will be 5.5 hours. So now that we have the specs and the features all talked about, it is time to get you on the R2 and let you ride. So we're gonna go through a checklist of all the things that you're going to need to do to make sure that you are ready to ride the R2 electric bike out on the road. The R2 comes equipped with a bright LED headlight and an interactive brake and tail light, so even if it is dark outside, you can still ride safely. The R2 is designed to handle any terrain with its sturdy 16-inch tires and advanced suspension system. Whether you're cruising on a smooth road or tackling rough terrain, the R2 e-bike will provide a comfortable and smooth ride. Having the storage rack on the back of the R2 means you can take any items you want on all your short or long journeys you decide to take. Baskets, coolers, and backpacks are just a few of the items compatible with this storage rack. The R2 comes equipped with a 7-speed shifter to make sure that you are capable of riding in whatever gear you need or feel most comfortable in. The bright LCD screen on the R2 makes it easy to adjust settings and see clearly what the bike is doing. I will go into more detail about this in the display in the next portion of this video. Finally, the R2 has adjustable handlebars and seat to make sure that you feel comfortable on your ride. This will also come in handy when you have to fold the R2 down and make sure you minimize the amount of space it takes up. Now that we've gone over all of our specs and features, we're going to go through a ready-to-ride checklist so we can make sure that you are ready to ride the R2 as quickly as possible. Step 1. Place key in the ignition. The ignition is going to be underneath the bike. You should see here in the video. You're going to pull in just like a car, push it in, and twist. Next, coming up to the display screen and the buttons on the left-hand side of the handlebar, you're going to turn on the bike, which is hold the M, the manual button, for 2 to 3 seconds, and you will see the display pop up. One of the more important things you're going to need to do before you start riding is make sure that the brakes are adjusted to your liking. Down below, I will link a video that will show you how to adjust the brakes on the R series and the F series and most of our bikes. So moving forward, once you got the bike on, you're going to take a look at the display. You'll see the display turning on. There'll be a couple of things on the bike that you might not be able to read. On top, you're going to see the energy bar. This is the amount of battery you have left. In the middle were the miles per hour, which you can change to kilometers if you would like. This will show you how fast your bike is going. Next will be the PA, pedal assist. This can be adjusted by using the plus or the minus on the left of the handlebar where the buttons are. This is where you can change the pedal assist on how strong you want it or how light you want it. Also, if you're feeling you just want to use the throttle will be on the right hand of your handlebar, right here. One quick feature that I know people are going to ask is how to get the headlights and the lights turned on. If you hold the M and the plus button for 2 to 3 seconds, the display screen will light up. Now, after all of these things, you are ready to ride the bike. So we went through the specs and we went through all of the features that the R2 has to offer, and we showed you how to get the bike ready to go so that you can get on the road and start riding your R2. With that, that's the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below. We'll be posting a lot more overviews with all of the new bikes and new products that we do get for GOTRAX. All the links will be down in the description if you're interested in the R2 or any of our other products. If you're having any trouble with your products, make sure to check out the parts and service page link. This will lead you to the parts and service, whether that be a motor, a brake, any sort of issue that you're having with your GOTRAX product. They will make sure to help you out. If you need to send it in, they'll get it fixed and they will walk you through what you need to do. Make sure to check out all the social links down below and give those all a follow. We often do a giveaway on there, and we are showcasing kind of what we're doing this year, which has been Discover Your City. We recently were just in Denver, and the times before that, Tempe, Arizona, and Tampa Bay, Florida. We've been doing this with comments from all of our customers and all the GOTRAX community. They've been letting us know what spots we should check out, and we've been going there, checking out the spots, taking photos, videos, doing all this stuff down there. It's real cool. You should make sure to check all those social links out. Other than that, that will be the end for the R2 overview video. Again, have any questions, make sure to comment down below. We'll get to you as quickly as we can. And with that, thank you for watching and ride happy.